friends that died. Sometimes I can't believe I'm still alive. She told you I ain't had it, but she lied. Boy, don't play with me, you know I'm fried. Boy, don't play with me, you know I'm fried. She giving blowjobs and I applied. She said she started ordering her some fries. Then I ate the breast and the thighs. Then I gave the rest to the guys. You was typing crazy out your mind. This is not a typo, we reply. Now you're spilling typo out your side. Boy, don't play with me, you know I'm. Boy, don't play with me, you know I'm fried. Pray on the enemies when we dine. We just hope the feds take a bribe. Only one go walk away when we collide. $20,000 fucking mine. 10 bitches came with dollar, they all dimes. They offer blowjobs and I applied. They all starving, ordered them some fries. Then I licked the breast, then the thighs. Bitch, don't play with me, you know I'm. Boy, don't play with me.